Hello everyone, today we're going to look at dance music track production from start to finish, or how to create a dance music track. Let's dive right into it. As you can see, here we have our project divided in sections at the top: introduction, verse 1, pre-1, chorus 1, drop 1, because this is a dance track. Then it kind of repeats verse 2, pre-chorus 2, chorus 2, drop 2, and end. If we look at it from top to bottom, we can see that we have our drums, we have our basses, we have guitars, plucks, everything that's keys and other polyphonic instruments, so playing chords. Then we have our synthesizer leads, effects, and vocals. Each one of these is a group, so it contains several tracks. And let's look at what's going on. The track is based around this pluck part, which is playing the main chords and melody. If we transpose the track to A minor for simplicity, we're going to see that the progression is very simple. That's F major to C to A minor to G. This is repeated pretty much throughout the whole track, apart from the pre-chorus, where it has a small variation. So this is playing a clear rhythmical pattern, as well as a little melody on top, which makes it interesting. So we started with this instrument. As we decided to have vocals on this track, we decided to create a classic structures with 4 bars intro, 8 bars verse, then 8 bars of pre-chorus where the kick drum comes in. This is a 4 to the floor kick drum. What does that mean? It's a simple quarter note pattern with the kick drum played on every quarter note. Other percussions were brought in that section as well. So claps, for example, snaps, and so on, creating a different dynamic for the pre-chorus. So we're starting very small and stripped back in the verse, and then adding some more percussions for the pre-chorus. In the pre-chorus, we also decided to bring in the bass playing the root notes. And a couple more instruments are reinforcing the main part. In the chorus, the track is stripped back again, so the kick drum comes out, and we leave a bit more space for the vocal to perform the main melody. We also bring in some guitars and keys. The chorus is also 8 bars, and we then move on to the drop, which is also 8 bars. The drop is the part with the most energy and where the music has a central place. Here we're bringing in a new bass with 2 layers. We're also bringing in these little answers in the drop, which are playing a second melody. With a sort of brass sound. These synthesizers are all reinforcing the main chords that we looked at on the main pluck, just to give it more energy. And we also brought in these synthesizer leads, playing the main melody once again. This is the whole structure of the track, which then repeats afterwards with some variations. And the second drop is twice as long, but very similar to the first one. If we listen to all the drums together in the second verse, we'd see that we also have claps going on here. And a drum roll, which introduces the next pre-chorus. For the second pre-chorus, we're bringing in hi-hats. Again, creating some space for the second chorus, so no kick drum. The big drum roll. drop 2. We can see how each drop has several drums part coming in gradually. So it starts with just a kick drum, then 4 bars after that, we're bringing in our clap, and then we're bringing in the hi-hats so that we can always increase the intensity of the music. The track is called Cry It Out, as you can hear in the chorus.
But if we're gonna cry, cry,